What does $1 million actually feel like? Not on Instagram, not in a rap song, but in real life. Here's a truth most people don't realize. $1 million, $10 million, and $100 million are not just different amounts of money, they are completely different psychological environments, different pressures, different conversations, different responsibilities. If you misunderstand this, you may chase the wrong number for the wrong reason. At $1 million, life becomes stable. For decades, being a millionaire meant you had made it. Today, it's more of a foundation. Most people don't hold it in cash. It's tied up in homes, retirement accounts, and investments. From the outside, life looks normal. A decent home, a reliable car, maybe a couple of vacations a year. The real shift is emotional. You're no longer in constant financial panic. Unexpected expenses don't break you. You gain breathing room. But you still think about money daily. You compare prices, track investments, and feel market changes. One bad event can still hurt you. At this level, you focus more on protecting what you have than expanding it. It's security, not true freedom. At $10 million, everything changes. Invested properly, it can generate significant yearly income. Now you're no longer dependent on a job. You can walk away from situations you don't like. That changes your relationship with time. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, will this multiply? You think in terms of leverage, ownership, and scale. Your network shifts. You enter rooms where deals happen, not just work. But new pressures appear. You become more visible. Taxes get complex. People ask for money. Opportunities, both good and bad, increase. Your stress becomes strategic. Now it's about managing wealth, not just earning it. At $100 million, you enter a different world. This is not lifestyle money, it's influence money. Your investments generate massive income, but material things lose excitement. Cars, houses, luxury, they become normal. The focus shifts to scale and impact. You think about businesses, industries, and legacy. You can influence systems, fund ideas, and shape outcomes. But there's a hidden cost. Isolation. Trust becomes rare. Every relationship feels like it has an angle. Your stress is no longer about money. It's about control, influence, and legacy. You think in generations, not years. Here's the real difference. At 1M, money reduces anxiety. At 10M, money increases options. At 100M, money increases responsibility. Stress doesn't disappear, it evolves. Money doesn't change who you are, it amplifies you. So what does wealth really feel like? 1M feels like stability. 10M feels like freedom. 100M feels like influence. But none of them guarantee fulfillment. The real question is not how much money you need, it's what kind of life you want to build. Because wealth is not about consumption, it's about control. Control over your time, your decisions, and your future. Choose wisely.